Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay later on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash, and once you're on Doordash, log into your Doordash account. If you have an account, just log into it. And then now what we're going to do is, so we're going to just make an order. So I'm going to add an order to my cart so that I can check out. So I'm going to add it to my cart. So just choose any item here that you wish to purchase. So just add it, select any item and then add it to your cart. So just choose it, add it to your cart. And then when I get to my cart here, so that's, I just added this item for demo. So just this is my cart here. So I'm going to hit on view cart. So now what I'm going to do, that's fine. I'm going to hit on continue so that I can go to the checkout page. So here, so when I get to this checkout page here, so after we can provide all these your other delivery details and everything, it's fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my payment option. So under payment here, so I'm going to click on payment so that I'll get to the option here. So now if I want to pay later, then I can use my afterpay option. So afterpay is a buy now and pay later option. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply select afterpay, and then when I select afterpay, so this is going to, so when you click on afterpay, and it's going to take you to the afterpay portal where you need to log in with your afterpay credentials. So if you don't have an account, you can create an afterpay account with your details. But if you have an account, so it's going to ask you for your credentials, and then you just simply log in your details here and log into your afterpay account and then authenticate this transaction. And if you do so, that's it, your order will be placed on Doordash. So this is a way how you can pay later on Doordash. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.